Hi guys, it's British Bug out here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my EDC bag for wild camping, which I'm going on tomorrow. Now I've already done 2 or 3 trials on this video, and it's been doing my head in my iPod, so the layout I've done is a bit different, but you'll get the idea. I can promise you it does all fit in here all well, and it's still a good size. Now this is my bag, obviously. It's got a back pouch here which keep this and this in. So this is for keeping in tinder that you might find, picking up, carrying any extra things. And this is like a mask thing that goes around the bottom half of your face. Protects you from smoke from fires, and it can also keep you warm. And tin foil, obviously, makeshift cups, pans, etc. Next, I won't be set. Just put my charger in because my iPod is doing my head in. Keep coming up 20% charge. So next in this pouch, which still has it all in, knife, fork and spoon just in that little pouch, and then in this pouch I purely just keep this little lock knife and this little knife. It's obviously what they're useful for, cutting things and picking things up. This is my little fire tin. This is the most important thing of all for me. This is kept in the main pouch. A little tea light, a few loose matches, matchbox, my own tinder pouch, chuck it on, lights up, a couple tinder blocks, fire starting tin, all those bits and pieces. The tin, you can boil water in if you really need to. All this stuff isn't a survival bag as such. It's just purely because I'm going to be close to camp, and all be revealed in my next video, and you'll see what I mean. So, and then also in the main pouch I have this little survival tin which I keep in my old camera camera case. You can attach this to the belt or even to the straps of the bag. I've done a separate video on this, so please check it out. And obviously in here I've just got a little bag as well, for any tinder, etc. Here is my little food-free book, just in case coming across any food that I might be intend on having. And here I have 2 shelter sheets. This one is a tarpaulin, slightly thicker and slightly smaller. 1 by 1, obviously you can sit on it, take wood with it, etc. Same sort of principle with this, just a bit thinner. This is about 1.5 metres by 1.5 metres. It has got little loops as well, so you can use it for a shelter if you really want to. And then what I do is around this strap I have this little pouch here, an old torch pouch, and in there I just keep a pen, a flint and steel, a knife, fork, spoon, multi-tool, other bits and pieces, whistle, Gerber Bear Grylls multi-tool, and my carabiner. They're all easy to get to, easy access for things that I might need. Obviously pen, writing things down, starting a fire, eating, as the name inclines, multi-uses, keeping things together and letting anyone know that I'm stuck. So yeah, that's pretty much it, what I keep in this little pouch. It's a shame I couldn't take it all out, but I must have fully done a video about 3 times. My iPod's just been a pain, so that's just how I've had to do it. I'm sorry. Please, obviously this channel is a relatively new channel, please support me as much as you can. Like, comment, subscribe, as it is very much appreciated. Please check out all of my other videos from the past and the future, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Goodbye.